You may be missing out on tons of views simply because you're making this 5 mistakes that small YouTubers makes. In this video, I will quickly share with you the common mistake that small YouTuber makes. I will show you examples to them, and also I will show you how to fix them so you can get to skyrocket your views on YouTube channel quickly. So mind you, this mistake I'm about to share here are common mistakes that I've been able to notice from those people that actually ask me to view their channel. Hey loves, welcome here. My name is Yinka Adebayo, and on this YouTube channel I share helpful content that help you skyrocket your YouTube channel. Okay, and I talk about anything that allows you to earn directly from your content. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting content like this. And to my returning subscribers, guys, thank you once again for coming to check my videos. You know I love you so much. So without much words, let's get into this video properly. So the first mistake that small YouTuber makes is they do not plan their introduction first. When you want to create your content, your first seconds of the video is very important as the information you want to share in the video. You have all what you want to share on your head, you're very sure, you're confident, but the introduction of your video is very important because it's going to get these people to stick to your video and watch to the end. So here are the mistakes I noticed on some people's YouTube channel. At the beginning of their video, they started with greeting their audience, telling them about their YouTube channel, telling them to subscribe at just the beginning of the video. This is quite bad for you as a small YouTuber. You want to take note of this. I am not saying you cannot do your greetings. As a small YouTuber, we actually need to do greetings, right? And tell people to actually subscribe to our YouTube channel. But trust me, you can do this immediately after you introduce your video. Telling them your YouTube channel, hello, welcome, greetings, here and there, telling them to subscribe, they are off already. Trust me, some people will leave. Even when your introduction is so superb, some guys will still feel like, okay, I'm moving. Really, viewers don't really have time. They will only settle for you if they see that you're sharing value. And how they can easily know you're sharing value is the first seconds of your video. So whatever niche you're into, either entertainment, either lifestyle, you want to make sure that the first few seconds of your video is actually complementing your titles and your thumbnail. So what I mean by this is that thumbnail is the first thing that your viewers will see. So once they read the title, they know what your video is all about, so they click on it. So once a viewer is able to click on that video, you have successfully captivated them using your thumbnail and your title to spark curiosity. So this has already done 50% of the work. Your first seconds of the video should now complete 50% of the other work to make it complete 100%. I hope you understand. So your the first minute of your video want to be something that will keep them to stay, and it's going to be all about what you told them you want to share in your title and thumbnail. For example, if you're creating a content on how to dress properly as a lady, you've created your thumbnail and you've written on your title that how to dress properly as a lady, definitely your first few seconds to be something like, some ladies don't really know how to dress. Some dress shabbily, some dress waywardly. With that, you're still telling them about ladies, which is the reason why the video is up. I hope you understand my point. So I want you to check some of my videos I posted recently. You will see that most of those videos I started my introduction in my own little understanding, a bit perfect. What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comment section as well, because we are all learning. Trust me, we are all small YouTubers trying to grow here. I have made this mistake I am sharing with you before, and I've learned my mistake and I have adjusted. Since the time I've been able to adjust, my video has been skyrocketing, and you can as well testify to it. So another wrong thing I noticed on first seconds of video is that some people, they start with something irrelevant to the topic. So for example, your topic is all about politics, and once we click on the video, the first few seconds is you're talking about your hair. So this is totally wrong. Talking about your hair doesn't have anything to do with politics. People actually click that video to watch what you need to say about politics. So that the first seconds of your video is not when you really want to express yourself, talk about things that totally irrelevant with the topic. You still want to keep in line with the topic as you further explain yourself forward. I don't know any of your niche, but whatever niche you fall into, you want to use this idea so you can now start creating content in the best way, just to skyrocket your YouTube channel and push you to get more views than you have before. Second thing on my list is some creators use confusing thumbnails, something that is totally irrelevant to their videos. Their videos is saying something else and their thumbnail is showing people something else. So you want to look into this. You don't want to share with people that you want to show them how to take care of dogs, and in your video you're now showing them how to take care of human being, or how to take care of your child. So you want to look into this. Do not use confusing thumbnail. People are actually doing this, especially some small YouTubers. They'll be like, they are trying to make it gain traffic, like let people come in and they'll drop comments and their channel is going to push. Go and look into the channels that do this. Their channel will get more views, but nobody is actually subscribing to such channel. It happens here. I've been able to see many of them. So all comments you'll be seeing there is, why do you even waste my data? Why do this? Why did? Because people actually come to learn about something else, and in your video you're totally showing them something different. You want to look into this. It does not do any good to your channel. Another thing about thumbnail is you're creating thumbnail that is too wordy, that is full of words. I have created a tutorial on how to create a thumbnail. It's actually spark curiosity in viewers and do the work for you. I have placed the link to the tutorial in the description box of this video. Check it out to learn how to create thumbnails for yourself. Another point here on my list is not making research. Most creators don't make research. They just create some things like directly the way it comes to their head. It's what they're creating. Now, what is research? Why do you necessarily have to do your research before creating that content in your head? Trust me, somebody one way or the other have already created the content you want to create, and if at all this content is new and fresh, you still want to make your research just to make sure that the way you present your content is actually helping you get views, is helping you get more subscribers. You want to learn from other creators that actually done well, and you want to check what they have been able to implement, the reason why they get that much views on that particular topic you want to talk about. If you start doing this from now, you're going to see that your views are going to skyrocket and you're going to be getting more subscribers. You're going to be getting more engagement on your comment sections as well. Another point here on my list is not taking note of your video analytics. See, as a small creator or small YouTuber, you need this essential app, YouTube Studio app. See, as a small creator, you're supposed to be constantly on your YouTube Studio site. You can use the app as a creator, like you're still coming up. Unless you started to gain more tractions and people have started watching your videos, you don't want to start spending times on that video that actually peaked. I have explained that in one of my videos here. You don't want to spend time on that app viewing how people are watching, and no, you want to start creating more content. So that being said, talking to small YouTuber that is trying to gain more tractions or to see people that will watch their videos, you want to take note of some little things that are very important on your channel analytics. So this is going to be the video analytics. Is going to be the analytics is going to express to you the percentage of views, how people watch that particular video you posted. It's going to show you the dip. It's going to show you the spike, the places whereby people go back, they are rewinding it just to check maybe one thing or the other. So you will need to focus more on that so that people can get to be rewinding most of your videos, because it's going to help that video to push. And the places whereby you have deep, which is what places where people fall out of your video, maybe probably they are tired or they skip it because of one thing or the other. You want to watch that part to see what is happening there, so you can get to balance yourself. Before I move to the next point, please like this video. It's going to push this video forward to people that really need this information. Please do not forget to drop comments for me. You're actually following me, so this is going to help me understand you getting my point. Another point on my list is not taking note of your comment section. Comment section is actually a beautiful space for you to, be able to push your video forward more. So you want to take note of people commenting, dropping comments for you. You want to start doing something special, which is replying to the comment section. You want to like each of the comments they drop, and you want to respond to them. So this is going to keep your video having more engagement, and the more engagement your video have, the more the video goes and gets more views. The most important aspect of this video you just watched is to just make you understand that people or viewers that are watching your videos are human beings, and they really care about what they are watching. So you can get to adjust in anything you're doing on your YouTube channel, because you really need views, and it is set of people that are going to watch your content to get you the views. They are also the set of people that will subscribe to your channel, and they are also the set of people that will drop comments for you, share your video, or do whatever you want them to do. So once you take note of this, your channel is going to skyrocket. So here are the points I have been able to take note of from the people that have sent me their YouTube channel, and I believe with watching this video you have been able to see yourself in this video, and you have been able to dictate what you've been doing wrong, and I believe you're going to make it right this time. Recently, I've been able to host some free classes on WhatsApp about YouTube channels. If you are interested in joining the next batch, you can just click on the link in the bio to join the community where you get information on the next class. Okay, and of course, I will definitely see you in the next one by His grace. Bye.